Thanks for tuning in. This is Shaggy with Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Glad to have you here. Glad to see you. I know it's been a little bit since I put a video out, and I'm sorry about that. But anyhow, I'm going to get straight into it. There's a couple of kits that I picked up from Ollie's I'm going to show you guys. I have a shop card shout out. There's a couple of resin kits I want to share with you guys. And I'm also going to go over the the Pinto mini stock race car that my dad built back in the late 90s. I built that kit as a tribute to him. I put a couple of, well, I say a couple, it was a short video up on YouTube about a week or so ago. I hope you guys have seen that. If you're not, you can go back and check it out. Yeah, sure. All right, let's get right into it. All right, first of all, we are going to go with this kit here, the 1967 Mustang Fastback. It's not a very rare kit, but it's one that I thought was pretty cool. I love the body style on this thing. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever built a Fastback Mustang. I did the 65.5 Mustang way back when. It was painted the same color as the car on the front box here, but I really bought it because I like that car right there. That's probably the way I'm going to build it, with that color. I don't know what color it is. If you guys have a clue what that color is, leave it in the comments. I'm thinking it's like a ice pearl metallic blue or something like that. Sorry about the glare. But anyhow, I think it's going to be a pretty cool kit. I love the wheels and tires are with this kit, and the body style is great too. So sorry if I'm moving it too fast. It's gonna be pretty cool. I haven't built a Mustang in a while, so yeah, there's that. And I also picked up this Boss 302 Mustang. And the reason I picked up the Boss 302 Mustang is there's a guy on eBay, Madman Models. I'll put the description up here. And he has a kit, an off-road kit for that Mustang to turn it into a four-wheel drive, and it's also got fender flares, and it's got a roof rack and all kinds of stuff. Let me show you a few little pieces that came in that resin kit. I don't know if you can see that. That's a pretty cool little. The inside comes out there, and it's got the insert that goes in the wheel. It'll be my first foray into building resin. I'm hoping it turns out, but that's a pretty cool little wheel there. And it comes with the little hubs on it also. See that? I don't know if you can see. My phone doesn't want to focus in sometimes, but it comes with that, and there's a roof rack that goes in the back of the car, like over where the louvers in the back window are. And it comes with suspension components. It comes with all of the Nerf bars and the roll bars, that sort of thing. There's the bumper bars. Here's another bumper bar under the front bumper. That's pretty cool. It comes with the new exhaust. And like I said, I'll put up a picture right here, and I'll leave a link down in the description where you can pick that stuff up. Also, one of my subscribers, Randy Bridell, I think is his name, he sent me a resin kit. He said seeing as how I have a YouTube channel, he wanted me to have a mascot. So here it is. I'm not sure if you can see who that is or not, but that is Norbert Rogers, also known as Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. Pretty cool, I think. I wish my phone would focus in better than this. I'm going to have to get me a better camera, guys. But you get the idea. That's pretty cool, I think. Like I said, I've never done resin before, but this is going to be a blast to build. That's going to be cool. It also came with the with this little guy. I know you recognize him. Pretty cool, I think. Anyways, so that's my two resin kits that I bought. let me go ahead and give a shop card shout out. I was talking with another subscriber earlier, and his name is Big Charlie from Big Charlie's Model Garage. I've seen a few of his videos. This guy, he's got he does a lot of die casts, he does models, and he's actually sending me some stuff that I purchased from him. Really cool guy, really cool guy. So if you have a chance, stop by and go stop by Big Charlie's and give him a follow. He's a great guy. So, the main part of this video that I wanted to get to is this kit here is what it was based on. Pinto Popper. I probably could have chosen a better base for this kit, but I like it. I mean, that's pretty cool right there. Got that detailed engine. I'm not sure what year it is. What, a 77 Pinto? Yeah, 77 Pinto. I'm not sure what year my dad's Pinto was, but I'll show you what it ended up looking like after I built it. I hope you guys can see that. I hope it's turning out like it. I hope you guys can see the details in this. I put a lot of work into this thing. It's far from stock, I can tell you. And there's a lot of pieces in here that I got from a NASCAR kit, like the roll cage and some of the floor pan and the dashboard, the window net. All of that came from a NASCAR kit. And the door bar, the windshield bars here, that's all scratch built from styrene. And I don't know if you can see the engine details or not, but anyhow, I thought it was a pretty cool kit. And the decals that I made on my home computer, did them up on the, I forget what program I use. I use several, but yeah, I printed these decals at home myself. I thought they turned out rather neat, actually. And I'll put up a bunch more pictures of it. That way you can see what's going on with the real car. Yeah, I actually built this and gave it to my dad, and he had it for a while. And then they moved to Arkansas, and he wanted me to come get it because he didn't want it to get messed up in the move, which that's fine with me. So I thought it was pretty cool. Let's see if we can get a little inside view of that right quick. I hope you can see that. But anyhow, there it is. There's the mini stock dirt track car Pinto that I built for my dad that he raced back in the late 90s. And he also had, back then when he was racing the Pintos, everybody that was in that class, well, I say everybody, most everybody had like a little mascot in their car. There was a guy running around with the tongue hanging off the bumper. There was another one with, I think it was like a bunch of cartoon characters. I forget what they were, but my dad, he's a fan of Taz, so I put this on the hood. He thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty cool. And I'll put a picture of it right here of the original hood. I actually painted that hood when he built his race car. I wish it would focus better than that. Sorry, guys, but you get the idea. When my dad had his car, he also built a trailer to go with it from scratch. And I think he used drill stem pipe to build it and flat metal. And he used it, I'm not sure where he got the axle. He may have gotten it out from like an old trailer house or whatever, but I thought it was pretty cool. I scratch built this entire trailer. I hope you can see that. I thought it was pretty neat. It's got the trailer jack. Those are all hand built. Every piece of this trailer was actually scratch built from sheet styrene, with the exception of the axle and tires and brakes, of course. But all the flat metal and sheet metal, all of that was built from sheet styrene. And these brake lights, that is actually I don't know if you can see that well enough, but that is actually one of the ballpoint pen tubes that I cut in half, or cut down to make the housing for the lights. So yeah, that's the trailer my dad built for his little mini stock race car. Let me put it on the trailer and we can see what it looks like. It's actually purposely built just for this car. I think it's pretty cool. And I'm not sure whether or not he built that trailer purposely for the car that he built. But like, you know, just like this one and the car goes well, his does too. So anyways, there's all that. Thank you guys for stopping by, and if you would like to, leave me a comment. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.